Alright guys, so this time we're in the GMC 2500 Sierra here. She was dead, so we had to jump her, and I'm running the idles up here so that, or the throttle, not the idles. We're running the throttle up here so we can try to charge the battery up because the plow's kind of weak right now. And if I'm not careful, I'll stall out. So we're going to see if I can set my camera up here so that you guys can see. Hopefully she don't stall. Our temp hasn't gone up yet. Oh wait, that's right. Temp gauge doesn't work on this truck, so I gotta try to remember that. And I'll see if I can set you guys anywhere. You can maybe see what. Nah, crap. That's not gonna work. Well, maybe if I can squeeze you guys in here, right here or something. I don't know. Let me see here without breaking anything. I hope. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alright guys, looks like I might not be able to do a vid for you guys here. Alright, I gotta go. Alright, sorry about that guys, I had to go. Ooh, squeaky door. I got most of this done here, but oh man, it is hard to do with this truck because it doesn't run right. So you got a 2-foot drive it. I don't know if you know what that means. If not, I'll tell you here. It means you got 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the gas. You just kind of feather them, and you gotta, you gotta know how to do it, but still. That don't need to be on. Oh, see, now I was just about to go do it in the car here. It's a bad habit to get into, but I only did it because of how that truck runs. Otherwise, I would have never done it. What I'm going to do here is we'll back up to this snowbank here. This is a Ford Contour SE, it's a special edition. It's a Ford Contour Sport. Go back right about there is good. Alright, good enough, just so she's out of our way here. I'm going to clear this spot, and I'm going to clear that spot over there. Then we're basically done, because the shop we don't got to do real fancy. But let me tell you, oh, it's hard. Nice heat though, that's for sure. Alright, so see if I can try and do this while driving here. I don't know if you heard that, but she almost stalled out there. Oh man, I hate this. I gotta try and really watch where I'm going here. Hey, it turned right this time. There's cement here. Right there. There it is. I don't like to hit that stuff really hard. It's not too hard to video and plow at the same time. I just can't. Just gotta make sure I don't get caught doing this video while plowing. We got the 4 locked in. See, I don't know if you heard that, but she's almost stalling out there. Now this is the hard part here because I got to get lined up and not go in the ditch thing back here. So hold on guys, I gotta set the phone down so I can steer with 2 hands on this part, because this is a really hard part to try and steer on. I apologize about that, but I'd rather be safe and not get stuck than try and do a video. Ah, crap, we're getting stuck right there. Hope we don't get stuck. Alright, we should be alright now. There we go. Just turn this way, turn that way. I apologize guys that you're not watching this here, but stuck here. Nope, we're good, I think. I gotta watch this part because there's poles there. And the plows, when it's turned all the way, is actually in farther than the poles. So it's really easy to hit them. And mind you, I don't normally go this slow. I just go right at it. But doing a video and stuff, I don't want to break something, you know what I mean? And yeah, like I said, don't... Oh, in the snowbank. Uh-oh. We're good. I worry a little bit too much sometimes about getting stuck. Ooh, boy. See, you heard that one. That was a good one. Almost killed out completely. Oh man, this heat, oh man, cooks you right out of here. It's good heat in this thing. One thing I do like about this automatic transmission is it kind of controls when it's shifting into gear exactly, even though you've already moved the shifter. Because that's the whole point of an automatic. It knows that stuff. So that's nice. I know the high RPMs can be bad for the plow or for the transmission. It's not good for it. It's the only way for this truck to work right now. Hopefully this video kind of turns out. Alright guys, that's probably... I think that's good enough for you guys here. I don't know, not real great, but hold on, I'm gonna park for a sec here. Set my phone down outside. My boots are soaked. I don't think I can set my phone anywhere out here, but we'll give her a shot here. I mean, if I can get you guys at least some type of shot, that would be kind of nice. Nope, that's not going to work there. So maybe right here. Just kind of. No, that's really not going to work. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not going to be able to get a video for you here. Well, maybe I can, right there. All right, there we go. Sorry about that thing right there in the shop, but you'll have to live with it. Probably not perfect, but you can hear she stalls out and crap there. So I'm gonna hurry up, get the rest of this quiet little bit touched up a bit here, and that's gonna be it because I don't want to get in trouble for doing a video here, at least while trying to plow. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.